Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session. Today we are going to continue the second part of the fifth chapter, that is precipitation. So today we have to see here one figure has given. So first we will try to understand this figure. So here one globe has shown to you, and in this middle side 0 degree, that is equator, and here upside north side Tropic of Capricorn has given 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, that is Tropic of Capricorn is given. So the place between Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer, that is torrid zone, and near the equator. So that torrid zone we can find lot heat because the sun rays are directly falling in this region. So that's why in the equatorial region daily in the afternoon there is rainfall in that region. So now we can see, as we are coming in the Tropic of Capricorn, means this, and Tropic of Cancer, so that is this is called temperate zone. So in the temperate zone we can find less heat, means the temperature is not that much high, which we have seen in the equatorial region. So some countries are coming in the Tropic of Capricorn, some countries are coming in the Tropic of Cancer, as our India's peninsula that is passing from the this Tropic of Cancer is passing from our country. So that's why in the peninsula, means south part of our country, that we can find heat in this area compared to the north side. North side is coming in the temperate zone, so that's why in the temperate zone we can find less heat. Means Arunachal this Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, so that region we can find a less heat compared to the south Karnataka, this Kanyakumari, so that region. So here again, beside that, Antarctic circle and Arctic circle has given, means that is the Fritz zone, means these are the polar region, North Pole and South Pole. So that is Fritz zone, means we can find here ice everywhere because these. So here in this you can see the sun rays is striking mostly directly to the equator. Then Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is shown here. So these regions they are receiving heat, but temperature is not that much high. As we are going away from the equator, though we are going north side or though we are going south side, as you will go away, the temperature will be less and the heat of the sun, it is also decreasing. So here upside, so low angle of incoming sunlight, here the sunlight, that rays are not reaching on the earth surface. So that's why this is the polar region, North Pole and South Pole. So sun rays are very less here. So that's why this region is called as the Fritz zone region, because there is no temperature, no heat in this region. So this is the Fritz zone. I hope you understood this. Now we will continue our chapter. We have seen till this, that is the means orographic rainfall we have studied. Now today we will start the cyclonic rainfall. So this part we will study. So cyclonic rainfall. Cyclone is the specific air formation when the pressure at an area is less than the surrounding region. So cyclone, it is a specific air formation. When that formation take place, when the pressure at an area is less than the surrounding, means in the surrounding area the air pressure is more, and in the circle that air pressure is less. This is called cyclone. Means in the cyclone we can find more pressure, and in the surrounding area we can find less pressure. Air from the surrounding region comes towards the center of the cyclone and start moving upward. So see here, like this, the air is starting in the circular direction, it is moving upward. As it rises, the temperature of the air reduces. So as the cyclone rises, the temperature is automatically reducing. Condensation occurs and rainfall takes place. So see children, in the air there is amount of moisture. So as that air is going upside, and in the upside, as the air will move upside, then condensation process will take place, because upside at the high altitude the temperature is very less. So due to that, condensation process will take place, and due to that rainfall will fall in this region. It rains in area over which the cyclones passes. So from where the cyclone passes, only that region only we will find rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall occur more in temperate zone, and cyclones area is also quite extensive. So just now we have seen that temperate zone. Temperate zone means which zone? Means that away from that this equatorial region. So in that temperate zone we can find the cyclonic rainfall. Comparatively, cyclonic rainfall occur in tropical regions is limited and in extent, and it is stormy in nature. So now say tropical region. Tropical region means what? Means this torrid zone, means equatorial region. So that region we can find this tropical region we can find cyclonic rainfall. Orographic rainfall occurs in most of the part in the world. So most part of the world we can find orographic type of rainfall. And convectional rainfall is regional in nature. There is a certainty in the convectional rainfall occurring in the equatorial areas. Equatorial areas we can find convectional type of rainfall, because due to the heat of the due to heat, the earth surface, the air become light and it going upward, and due to that condensation process is taking place, and in that region rainfall take place. So that is conventional of type of rainfall. So there is certainty in the conventional rainfall occurring in equatorial areas. Comparatively, the orographic and cyclonic rainfall are less certain. Means there is no guarantee that when the cyclonic rainfall will take place and when orographic rainfall will fall. But this convectional type of rainfall, there is assurance that daily afternoon in the equatorial areas, because when the temperature will increase, raised, that time there will be rainfall. So that is that we can say certainly. And therefore such areas are prone to very heavy rainfall, flood or drought frequently. So these regions where convectional type of rainfall fall, means equatorial region, there we can find very high rainfall, heavy rainfall, floods and drought frequencies. Study the figure. Study the rainfall map of the world given in figure 5.7 carefully and answer the following questions. So here 5.7 map, we have to see the world map and we have to give the answers to the question. What is the questions are asked? Question number 1, which region experience more rainfall? So here we can see that downside, that means in the southern region, that region we can find more rainfall. If we will talk about the region, means equatorial region, means torrid zone we can find more rainfall, because see na, 0 degree to 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south, means Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. So in between that place, that is the torrid zone, and in the torrid zone we can find more rainfall. Now see, what is the reason for low rainfall in the central peninsula India? So in our central peninsular India, there are mountain ranges like Satpura and these uh, Ghat, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghats. So due to that, it create obstacle, and due to that, there is a very less rainfall in that region. Why does the eastern part of Central African continent gets less rainfall than the western part of less western part, despite its location close to the equator? So in the eastern side of Central Africa, we can find less rainfall, and the western region there is